Nevada state-to-state moving companies. Well, One Auto Transport is one of the top Las Vegas movers, offering high-quality and reliable services for moving services in the area. We understand that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to moving, so we tailor our services to meet your specific needs. From packing and loading to transport and unloading, a One Auto Transport has all your interstate or local moving needs covered. We are also experienced in handling moves to and from the Las Vegas Strip, making sure that all of your belongings arrive safely and on time. Moving can be a real chore in Nevada. Everything must be wrapped in newspapers, packed neatly into little boxes that have been procured from behind the local grocery store and labeled with their contents. Then it all must be neatly packed into a rented moving truck, along with all the furniture that had to be twisted and wiggled out of two narrow doorways. Tricks to reduce your Nevada moving services estimate. Pack and unpack yourself. One way to reduce your cost is to pack and unpack yourself. It may take a bit of extra effort, but you can save money by doing the job yourself instead of using Nevada Moving Company. Rent your own moving truck. You can rent a truck from local rental companies, saving you the expense of hiring movers with their own vehicle. Shop around for quotes. Get a few moving companies to give you an estimate. This way, you can compare the different quotes and choose the one that best fits your budget. Look for discounts. Search online and in newspapers for any discounts that may be available when hiring a mover. You may also want to ask each company if they have any available. Choose your move date wisely. If possible, try to move in our international van lines during the off-season when movers are not as busy and may offer lower rates. Declutter before moving. Before you move, take time to go through your belongings and decide which items you can get rid of by donating or selling them. The less you move, the less money you will have to pay for the move and unpacking supplies. One Auto Transport can help you move your household goods nationwide. Call 888-241-3110 to get a free, no obligation to buy price quote on interstate moving services.